Feeding Seagulls Off the Irish Coast. A documentary from 1899 produced by British Mutoscope Biograph with an unidentified director. It features scenes of seagulls trying to collect scraps of food being thrown into the waves from a boat moving along the coast of Portrush in Ireland. The film was completely toned in blue to enhance the maritime effect of the scenes. The only preserved copy of this film is exclusive to the British Film Institute, which shows it only in Great Britain. For the rest of the world and access via VPN, the right to view it is prohibited by the BFI.